Hello, Jack. Come here. Yes, you're my tame little baby. There you go. Don't fall. Very good. You're so pretty. Yes, you like being held. You're my baby. And your feathers are funky because you're sitting on eggs. Eggs that aren't any good. Because you don't have a boyfriend right now. Hello, Cheryl. You're a good girl? You can step up? Yes, you can. Very good. And back you go. Very good. I don't know, do you get on a finger or not? Yes, you do. You're a good bird. Very good, Cheryl. You're sitting on no good eggs too, but you don't look as ruffled as Jack. You're such a pretty bird. Although you're very much in need of a preen on your head. I don't know if we can see that very well. Yeah, you need some preening. Hello, Cujo. Are you tame? Yes, you are. You're my little baby. Actually, I'm going to correct myself and say you're even tamer than Jack. Jack is not my tamest anymore. You are. You're my little baby, huh? Yeah? You like to just cuddle. Go on. There you go. Good bird. So pretty. Hello, Sequoia. You're so pretty. Okay, what have you done? What's on your face? Come here. Can you step up? You're tame. Show everybody. There you go. What a good bird. Yeah, you're my good bird. Very good. Hello, Courtney. Now, I already know that you will not get on my finger. And I'm not even actually sure I want you there because you're very aggressive with the other females. I really don't want to be bit, but you are nice enough to step up, aren't you? And even without being told. Very good. Good bird. Yeah, what a good bird, Courtney. You're so pretty. You're a pretty bird. Hello, Dixie. You're a good bird, aren't you? Can you step up? Yes, very good. Such a pretty bird. Step up. There you go, good bird. I don't know, do you step up on fingers? Do you? Huh? You used to when you were a baby. Here we go. Come on, step up. Ah, very good. Such a pretty bird. You're such a pretty bird. Hello, Dot. And I know you will step up, right? Step up. Very good. What a good bird. You don't like to stay on for the ride for very long. But you do all right. I don't know, will you come on a finger? You step up. Ah, very good. You haven't been on my finger in probably 9 months. Go on. Ah, good bird. Good bird, Dot. You're so pretty. Let's show everyone why you're called Dot. Please do not panic and fly away. Show everyone the dot on the back of your head. Oh, very good. I think we saw it. Little tiny dot. Hello, Spot. Okay, I really doubt that you are going to get on this stick for me. Yeah, I didn't think so. Can you land back on here? No. Hello again, Spot. Yes, there's the spot on the back of your head. Show us. Look the other way. I don't want to scare you. Yes, yours is bigger than Dot's, and that's how we can tell you apart. You're so pretty.